Number one question that we tend to get is, can we find a camper for under 1,800 pounds? Guess what? We got the camper for you. Right here, we're looking at the Adventure 80RB. First thing I like to point out here is, look at this graphic wrap. Brand new graphic wrap that we put out for our Overlander edition. You're gonna see the nice tree background with that geotopical graphical map kind of side to it. Fully around all the way up to that front side. One thing I also like to point out too, our finish is a 4000 series gel coat finish. So that's what you're gonna see on your automotive cars. You're gonna see that on all those cars that you're seeing out there, give you full protection and allows you to clean it nice and easy. While we're on this side, we might as well take a look. We got an outdoor shower part, you know, for washing the dogs, maybe some muddy boots, or even just yourself. You don't wanna have to go inside and use the shower. You're more than capable of using the one outside. This part's gonna be your battery compartment as we move forward. This is gonna be where you can sit your 2 batteries in there. Lithium batteries, a different type of batteries, whatever setup you're gonna want in there. This one actually comes standard with a lithium battery, heated battery as well. So that's a nice plus side for that Overlander edition. Coming forward here is gonna be your main connect. So this is gonna be your main power connect. So if you're at an area where you can hook up, where you wanna run full AC, this is where you would hook the generator up to. This is gonna give you your full power usage of your Adventure 80RB. Freshwater section, this is gonna be your main fill. And this is gonna be your main compartment that's gonna allow you to sit there and fill up. Point out the back end, this is gonna be where your water heater is. So this is all the compartments where you can see your main core, all the main fuses, all those type of things you're gonna see in here. The 80RB Overlander Edition does have the swing dually mounts on them. You can get the standard one as well. And these are electric jacks. So no playing around, jumping from corner to corner. You're gonna be able just to let that straight up. As we go around, we'll go ahead into the back side of it. Moving through, actually, you know what? Yeah, we'll stay in the back side of it here. You have your sewer hose section. So this is where you can keep your sewer hose section in there. You don't have to worry about getting it dirty on the roadway, any type of things like that, as well as your sewer connection part. So you have your sewer connection all covered from the road. You don't have to worry about any dirt, debris. You're able to get to it. Everything's nice and easy for you. Coming up to it, we have our fat ladder. This is our fat ladder. You got almost 600 pounds weight rating on it, all the way up to the roof to allow you to get up there and be fully walkable. You don't have to worry about any type of moving or slipping. It's a fully walkable one-piece roof. While we're back here, let's take a nice look at that graphic again. So you can see that backside graphic, fully wall-to-wall, nice Overland Edition tag there for you. The 80RB tag here you can see. As well, while we're here, nice LED light, lights up the area. Coming up into the awning, you got a full stretch awning, which also does have that light force for you. Allows you to be staying covered out of the weather, out of the elements. And again, a nice fat handle. This is gonna allow you to really reach up into the truck, allow you to step up in with no issues. Guess what? It folds up out of the way as well too. While we're over here, let's go ahead and take a nice little look into the inside here. I'll step up in, we can follow us through. First thing I like to kind of point out is I am a large human, okay? I'm 6'5", 270 plus, and I fit in here, tons of room. I'm broad-shouldered, have plenty of space to move around, cook, clean, move what I need to do. But what I really like to show is some of my size still can fit in the bathroom size, okay? Coming through here, I can sit down, no problem. Free room, I don't feel like I'm in an airplane bathroom. Nice going, no problem. And one other thing is porcelain. We got porcelain toilets in here, all right? Full shower, you got your fan. I'll stand up in here so you can see too. 6'5", still have the headroom. Plenty of light. Has a nice curtain to stop any type of access splash, any type of thing like that. Nice black accents. I'll step on out. Plenty of room for that. Close this down just so it's nice out of the way. Locks in. Another nice thing I like to point out here is we use laminate material. So we laminate our stuff. We don't use nail screws. We don't use any staples. Everything is all one piece and solid. As we step forward here, we'll point out the nice table side. You do have a sliding table to allow you that room to sit there and eat behind. But you also get a nice sleeper here. So this piece just comes off. I'm going to put it up here just out of the way for right now. The pull piece comes out. All I do is move the cushions out of the way, and it's as simple as roll, over. Done. I'm 6'5" again. I'll always show. Full length for me. A little bit shorter, obviously, but I can still lay on here no problem. And guess what? When you're done, you want to get ready for breakfast, you just fold it over, put the cushions back, slide that table piece back in, and you're ready to rock. Moving across from that, we're going into the kitchen side of things, okay? Very deep sink, as you can see, halfway up the forearm. Like I said, I'm a big guy, so pretty large forearm. Nice black accents. Coming up, you can see as well, same kind of deal. This is the build. You're not going to see any staples, any nails like that. It's all one piece. Same with our drawers. All that drawer face you're going to see is going to be all one piece. You're not going to have to worry about stuff shifting while you're going down the road from screws, looseness, and things like that. Same with both two little compartment doors here. Nice little drawers. And your cooktop. You got a 2-burner cooktop here. Automatic light, plus a nice finished hood fan for you as well too. Going into some more open compartments. All that space for you to store up above. As we're over here and it's open, you can see that we also added a power tower. So you're going to have your 2 main outlets, plus your C outlet and a USB connect. And it just stores right up out of the way when you're not using it. Look at all the counter space. Coffee machine, anything that you might want to put in there, you can add right into that. And behind me, your fridge. Beauty, big size fridge. It allows you to store what you need. You can put milk in there, all your eggs, everything will fit and it will stay solid as you travel. Up into the front area, you're going to see that we have the nice queen bed. Nice full queen size bed. Two wardrobe ends. You're going to have your drawer slide on one and you're going to have your open cubby on the other, as well as that nice matte finish slide-in piece. So that's going to be like books, extra clothing, things like that can be in there, extra cords. And you also do have a closet. So you still do have a nice mini closet section. Allows you to be able to hang things, allows you to be able to do what you need to do, keeping stuff out of the way. But guess what? The biggest thing, most important, is AC. This unit comes with AC. It is an add-on, but it can be built in with AC, no problem. But it keeps you nice and cool. You don't have to worry about, getting out somewhere hot, having that type of warm summer camping and feeling like you can't stay inside because it's too warm in here compared to outside. We want to make sure that you can stay cool no matter what. One last thing we like to really point out here is we've added a mat system. So this mat system is going to allow you to be able to easily take out any of the debris. You'll be able to slide it out, shake it out, no problem, and it just goes right back in. 100% washable, waterproof. You'll be able to rinse it. No spills are going to stain, anything like that. And from there on, we've just seen the 80RB. Thanks for watching.